Sparky Sparks here. My goodness, I have new hair and I want to share the way it's boxed. This is from Belle Tress and gorgeous. Look at this. A beautiful, beautiful presentation. So let me open this up for you. Isn't it pretty? Just gorgeous. So we're going to open the box and open this together today. This is Belle Tress, Palo Alto, and the color is Sienna Spice. First looks, let's see. Just gorgeous. Look at this wrapping. Amazing. Okay. Ooh, 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 ooh. You know, if you know me, you know I've been loving the red colors. And no exception. Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. Let's see what we've got here. I'm going to take off the tag. I just loop it through like this. Simple. Oh, so pretty. All right, let's take a look. Okay, we take the hairnet off. So this is just right out of the box. Oh my gosh, let's set this aside. Oh my gosh, okay, here we go. Shaker first. And again, this is Belle Tress. Let's get the notes here. Belle Tress, Palo Alto, and the color Sienna Spice. Oh my gosh, just gorgeous right now. So let's start on the inside. That's what I like to do. So we've got a basic cap construction with a side part. So this, I've lined my wig cap up for a side part. This is open wefted, so it's going to be nice and cool for summer. This is probably going to be a great summer choice for me. And then we've got the adjuster, Velcro adjuster tabs, simple. All right, let's put her on. All right, as always, and it has a lace front here. So this is going to give the illusion of the hair coming right out of my scalp, which you know I love. Here we go. Okay. Now pause for a moment. This is what we always do, because at first when we put on hair, it's a shock, you know, it's a surprise to us. So let's just put her on and fuss with her a minute. Oh, she's gorgeous. Really cool, comfortable cap. And this is how I'd wear her. Really, my goodness, look at this. Throw on and go. I want to know your opinions. Gorgeous, right? Let me show you the back. Make sure I get to the back here. So chic, so elegant, yet cool for summer. It doesn't really feel like a lot of permatease. It probably has a little bit, but just gorgeous. Throw and go. I could see this at the beach, the lake. You know, I love to water ski. I may put this on and water ski. I don't usually fall, so no worries. I'm not gonna get this wet. I love this. Beautiful. How it frames around my ears. Super comfortable. Look at the hairline. Just beautiful. Belle Tress, Palo Alto, in the color Sienna Spice. I like this color. I like it with this blue top. Gorgeous. Thank you, Belle Tress.